Alexa, start Animal Detective.
Welcome to Animal Detective. Let me think of an animal. Give me a second. Okay, here is the first clue. Some of the species could be dangerous for humans.
Next.
Most of them have 8 eyes.
Repeat the question.
Most of them have 8 eyes.
I don't know.
All right. One of them saved the life of her good friend, Wilbur the pig.
Next.
Okay. It makes strong and elastic silk which could be used to create webs and capture prey.
Next.
It is a predator. It hunts insects.
Next clue.
A superhero is named after it.
I don't know.
Here is another clue. It has 8 legs.
I think I can guess.
Sounds like you are ready to guess, right?
Yes.
All righty. What animal is it?
Spider?
You are right. It is a spider. By the way, tarantulas are big and hairy spiders, but most of them pose no threat to humans. Would you like to play again?
No.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Talk to you later.